First John chapter 5 verse 4. Why don't you put the horrid current truth into a It was finally Friday, and guys, I was pretty much excited. The rain in Lagos has been non-stop. Like, if you're in Lagos or even in some parts of Nigeria, then you would know exactly what I'm talking about. I got to the office pretty early today. I did some desk work and I ran a few errands, but because the weather was so cold, everyone was unusually quiet, and my boss noticed and said, "You guys should go get yourself some coffee and bread." My treat. We were excited, and so we headed to Pick and Pay to grab breakfast. It was honestly confusing for me to pick which coffee would like everyone would like, because obviously it wasn't just for me, but my colleagues convinced me to try this top coffee, which had taken like a lot of times, but I wasn't sure if everyone would like it, but they said they liked it, so I took it. And I actually somehow after payment and everything, I somehow got free coffee. I can't remember exactly why, but I wasn't complaining. Anyways, the coffee was nice, and I had my coffee on my way back to the office, and trust me, it was exactly what I needed in this cold weather. One thing about me, I absolutely love Fridays. There's just something exciting about knowing the weekend is here and I can finally go home, relax, and recharge for a new week. We got back to the office, and everyone was already waiting, and we all had our breakfast together before getting back to work. I still had a few tasks to finish and several customer visits to make, delivering of cards, running a couple of more errands because, well, it's Friday and the deadlines here and there. I didn't vlog any of that, unfortunately. Let's just say I completely forgot. Let's just say sometimes I don't vlog that part because of privacy stuff. Anyways, while I was going, I was hoping I don't I don't get to see any flooded area. Like, I don't want to get stuck in any kind of water in Lagos. After I got back to the office, I wrapped up for the day. I had some chin chin. A friend of mine got me chin chin. and I had it with this yogurt, and that was just it. My Friday was over. I got home and I was tired, exhausted, but I was pretty much excited. It was time for me to just, take my bath, have dinner, and just watch a movie before sleeping off. That was it for Friday. I'm not going to bore you guys with too much talking. A slow Friday night was exactly what I needed. Watch to the end to see what I had for dinner, and I will see you guys in my next